get some B-roll right now? I come to a day like today and I can have fun with a street car, you know. You get pro mod, it's a lot of seriousness. Everybody gives pro mods a hard time, you know, because they're all big tire and lots of horsepower, but it's a lot of work, you know. 200 mile an hour in 3.5 seconds. You get something like this, it's fun, man. You can just have fun, relax.
So you enjoy this more?
I don't say I enjoy this more, but I enjoy coming out and seeing guys, you know. Trying this turbo thing's gonna be a new thing, so we'll see how it works.
When you go to the bottom and you burn out, hit it.
I will go to the bottom.
He's learning how to do his turbo car burnout. It's like from Texas or something. You don't know how to do a burnout.
Hey. People from Texas know how to do burnouts.
Nitrous motor, right?
Yeah, nitrous.
He is a nitrous guy, deep down.
Up and down. I'm a nitrous guy. I enjoy nitrous.
You think this will change his mind?
I think it will. Like, when he puts that thing in high gear and it's just like...
If it goes into fives today, you know, we're going no time. If it goes into fives today, I will be completely converted LS turbo guy.
Hey, Ben, is it going to go fives this past today? No.
Are you running off a gate, or are you going to put any boost to it?
Well, right off the gate,
Okay.
First pass, yeah.
What's the spring, 6, 7, something?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Okay, a little hotter.
Hey,
A little.
it's all right.
Did we decide to turn it up, or what? What's going on?
Turn it down a little bit.
Yeah?
So dropping tire pressure, turn down. I need to get like one good hit in there, and then I just need to hook once. I'm like 0-5 this weekend.
Yeah.
Just knocking the tires off. I'm like, I can't. No ramp though. Got no ramp. If it goes in there and shakes, I'm not even gonna be upset. So that's the issue. It always used to shake. So we'll see what we can do. But we turned it down off the launch, turned it down off the lead, and I'm fingers crossed it'll hook.
Alright, you got it. Oh, look what's going on here, Mr.
What's up, man?
Mr. Jake with his professional
We just shooting like sort of professional quality here.
Sort of professional quality.
I just got this morning.
Yeah.
I'm just playing with it. It was on the clearance rack, so I was like, why not?
there are some serious cars out here. And it's a radial, little bitty radial Pro 28. I mean, it's, wow. I assume it's a nitrous motor. It is ridiculous. Watch it.
Badass.
A little too hot. That's everything I want my car to be.
Big nitrous Camaro?
No, I mean besides the nitrous part and the Camaro part. But everything else I'll take. Dog. You thought Dom stretched some tires out with it. Yeah, that thing is stretching some tires. Probably. For that?
Give me about a week or two.
Are you ready for that?
Give me about a week or two. We're good.
That's what you're gonna be dealing with.
Dang.
I'm telling you, bro. They got the track
big enough tire, you
right
look
now.
on anything.
Well, that's not even a big tire. You see a little bitty. It's a little bitty 275 Pro.
It was on a 15-inch wheel though. Like 15-inch wide. What that shit made of?
Waiting all dang day. Get some real heads-up racing going, so it's time. Right?
Yeah.
Ready for some racing?
I'm ready to see some
We've been waiting like all
racing.
day.
I'm ready to follow.
I haven't seen any racing.
I know, it's been nothing.
Yeah.
I'm ready for the fast cars to finally be going.
Now you get eliminated, so now it's racing.
Now it's racing. Nothing like starting up the races with a pair of turbo box bodies. It's like crazy.
Up in the right-hand lane, I think Ryan Jones. Nick, I have two consonants in my last name, Della Solandro. Nick, if I'm chewing that up, tearing it up, and spitting it out, I'm doing the best I can with that beautiful 2019 Corvette 62.
Alright, we got round number 2 here. Box body right here.
That's the equipment ride comes to the tree and that ball goes lanes. We have one side going to be Joseph Moore at Rose Hill. I think John Dock is out of order at this point, but anyways, he's a local. The man John
I don't know, the butterfly is a sign. The butterfly is a sign. I'm gonna take the left. I'm gonna take the left on account of the butterfly.
let out on that man.
Tony shut off at like half track.
Disrespect.
Round number 2.
That is a wrap for the Anything Goes event here with Ellen Massey and John Doc. I just parted ways. But that's it. I had a freaking blast. Thank you, John Doc, for inviting me. 'Cause this is what I needed. This is the motivation I needed to get my car back on track. It's time to get home, get on the bullet, so I can come back here and compete in some of these classes. But for now, I'm gonna get to work.